What's your this one? Yes.
This?
Yes.
It's a lantern.
Why you hand?
Why do I what? Try your best.
Why you hang on your floor?
This is floor.
Your
This is
top floor.
my top floor. Guys, this is my floor. This is my top floor. Guys, come on. Learn English.
It's true. It's right.
No, this is ceiling.
Okay.
Yeah, floor and ceiling. Why are you hanging it from the ceiling?
Yes.
It's fun. I like playing with it, and
Yeah.
it gives me special powers.
Okay. Many people want to see my cat.
Remember I said you're not allowed to read the comment section? You are breaking the rule.
Okay, sorry. Can I hold my cat?
No, I don't want to see your cat.
It's very cute.
Yeah, I don't want to see it.
It's very, very cute.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, good. You happy now, guys? Look.
Hello, everyone. Hello, teacher.
Hi. Kan, go away, okay?
You don't like cats?
But I'm the host, okay? Not Kan.
Yes, of course. Do you have any pets?
No, I have no pets.